Welcome to a short video. Today we're going to talk about exponential decay. If you prefer to read this story all by yourself, please pause the video, then come back and join the discussion. Wei Wei has 700 goji berry trees. You know, the goji berry is the little red berry. The best one grows in the northern part of China, next to the Yellow River, close to Inner Mongolia. A disease was introduced, destroyed 1/4 of the tree every year. So Wei Wei started with 700 and loses 1/4 of every year. Ask us to write a function that gives the number of tree remaining P of t, that Wei Wei has t years after the disease is introduced. So we're going to write a function. The function going to be P. That's how many trees he left after t years, equals is. Remember, we always start with what we have at the beginning. That's our initial value. Why? Because exponential function has a form y equals initial value times b is a base and b is the constant ratio of x is the exponent. So this part, P of t, and y, both of them stand at the part we called output, equals. Now we're going to find the initial value. Initial value in our story is 700 times. Now, we're losing 1/4, so you have two ways. You can write down 1 minus 1/4. This 1 is the tree itself. And losing, this is lose. Lose is minus 1/4. Or you can do this. I know 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. So I go ahead and write down 3/4. Now, here in our original form, we have x is exponent. Here we talk about t years. Therefore, write down t. Okay, now we can erase what we don't need, reveal this beautiful function we just wrote. It's a little bit a sad story, but it's a beautiful function. All right, happy learning. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click like and make a comment. And thank you for participating.